guys, welcome to another video of Always Something Garage. So today we're going to be working on a motor stand for the garage. It's going to be kind of like a small engine dirt bike / ATV stand. So in the description down below, I'm going to try to put a PDF down there. It's going to be for the drawing of all the different dimensions and stuff like that for the stand. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. So let's get into it.
Lay out the holes for the pivot. Set my square. Also need to mark the hole while I'm drilling. I'll mark the hole for the pivot pin that we're going to have so we can rotate and lock this in position. I'll drill that too while I'm over there. Also, while we're here, I'm going to mark the, this will be the bottom that I'll have adjustable holes in for different size engines that we can change the front engine mount. So I'll lay those out and just drill all of it while I'm at it. Down the middle. Then I'm 1.25 inches. And then I'm gonna go inch between holes. I think 5 holes is good. Do 5 adjustment holes. Let's go 6. Go 6 holes, just in case we get a I'm always working on some small little engines, so maybe I can use it. Alright, we got all the holes marked out, laid out. Now we're just going to get them in the drill press and run a pilot through all of them first, and then we'll open them up to the correct size bolt holes. Drill the 3/8 holes for the bottom mount. Probably could have stepped it again one more size, so I'm going from that 1/8 to 1/2 inch. Probably would have been better to step one more size up, but we got one more hole. We're done. So we got all the tubes drilled with the proper size holes, and now let's start assembling this thing. tacked up. Got our pin for our indexing. Gonna work nice. Nice. Make a couple brackets, get this thing bolted together.
Stand here. It's pretty mocked up right now. We have a Honda TRX 450R case in it right now. So all we have to do is make it some templates here. So we'll make some brackets that come up here and mount to the end of the case here. So then we can fully contort the motor back and forth to get to the certain angle that you can work on it. So once we get those little plates made for the back, then I'll show you what it looks like. A little KX 125 mounted on the little motor mount here, and made that little bracket that I was telling you about here. So we have all the holes here for different mounting purposes for a larger motor or not. Looks pretty good. I think we decided on this stand here that this one plate is pretty sturdy for smaller engines, but just in case if we get a larger engine on here, we're going to add a little gusset that comes up here and ties into this main bracket. Just in case anything is a little heavy, doesn't flex that main bracket there. Well guys, we got the motor stand pretty much all finished up. So we have this 125 motor in here, and this is for the next video that we're going to be doing here shortly. So hope you guys enjoyed this build. So I know we have stuff going to help us out with rotating this motor around so we can start taking parts off of it. So a couple things we added. We added these little shims here on the internal rotating little plates here, just to keep it centered within the main frame. And then we added this little custom-made pin to lock into certain angles that you want to set it to. So guys, we have as you can see, the motor stand all finished up. In the description below, it will be pretty much all this, the material needed and the pricing to complete this motor stand. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.